Yes. And this is Japan. So if you've ever seen a Japanese tea room before, or a chashitsu, basically tea room, literal translation, this might look like a slightly bit different to you, and I'm wondering if you can notice what the difference is. I'm sitting in a chair. So usually in a traditional tea room, you will actually sit on your knees on the floor in what's called seiza, or a proper seating position. But this place is special. We are in Yuka-an, part of the Okubo Gallery near Nippori station. And this is usually like a regular cafe where people come and just enjoy some tea, enjoy some coffee, enjoy some sweets, and just have a nice time at the cafe, maybe see some art in the gallery, maybe purchase an antique on your way out. But today we're actually going to be doing a workshop where we make Japanese sweets, which is super exciting. I've never done it before. And then we will experience some tea ceremony afterward. So you don't have to dress up in kimono. I'm kind of in casual kimono today. Like usually when you go to a real tea ceremony, you'll be wearing formal kimono. It's very solemn and somber, but today it's an experience, it's a workshop, it's a place to come in contact with Japanese culture. And so you can just come in jeans and a t-shirt, have a seat in a chair, and enjoy learning about tea ceremony and making Japanese sweets or wagashi by yourself. Well, not by yourself. They're going to show us how to make it. But I'm really looking forward to this experience, and I hope that you are too. So, shall we dig in? Itadakimasu. Let's dig in.
和菓子作りということで2種類の練り切りをちょっと作っていただこうと思います。あんこと、あと白あん、山芋とか、ちょっとこういったスターチみたいなものとか、あとは白玉粉、ちょっとこうスターチを加えてつなぎで混ぜて、で粘土のようなちょっとこう色をつけて形にしたもの。季節によって和菓子って形を変えることができるんです。例えば、春だったら桃にうぐいす、梅にうぐいすかな。梅にうぐいす、菊と柿の、これ秋ですけど、こっちが桃千鳥ですね。さっきは梅にうぐいすでした。こんな感じで春、夏、秋、冬、シーズナルな形を作って見た目からお客様をおもてなしするという。まず簡単なこれ栗チェスナッツ。
チェスナッツ。So cute.
もみじを作っていただこうと思うんですけど、ちょっともみじが難しめなんですけど、
頑張ります。I love the challenge.
こういう感じで赤と黄色のグラデーションを作っていただこうかなっていうふうに思ってます。はい。早速やっていきましょう。
やってみましょう。
で、職人さんのちょっと動画を見ていた ただいて、作り方をまずはイメージしていただいて、でその後私と一緒に、コツもお教えしながら作っていきますので、はい、もう初めてでも全然大丈夫です。楽しんで分かんないところは何でも。Gorgeous.
Yeah, so pretty. This is really nice. If you're into art, if you're into snacks, if you're into any sort of I don't know, like artisanry, like you definitely gotta come here. It's really fun too. It's really interesting to see.
じゃあこの器どっちも飾ってあげてください。作ってください。
We're gonna test my artistic skills and see if I can create a pleasing arrangement. This is fun. You get to kind of express your creativity with snacks, traditional snacks. Okay, we're following, and then what's on the ground with the sticks? How much is too much?
It's up to the artist.
Right? I want to go for that like minimal, like simplistic, like Japanese aesthetic, but also show my creativity. These are falling leaves and the chestnut is sitting in the branches. What do you think? ちょっと雑かな? It's my creativity. This is how I express myself. So, ta-da! want to cut it. It's so cute.
どっちからいきましょうかね。
はい。
栗？
栗かな。I hope you guys like Uncle because it's so good. なんかコーヒーの味ですね。
はい、そうですね。
It's got coffee in it. It's so good.
ちょっと食べやすくなってると思います。左手の上にちょっと乗せて、飲む前にですね、少し2回ぐらい回して、で感謝して、どうぞ一口お飲みください。
Twice.
Thank you.
美味しい。
美味しいですか？ありがとうございます。
Like matcha goes so well with wagashi just because like the sweetness of the wagashi kind of fills your mouth, right? So to kind of combat that sweetness, you know, the little bit of bitterness that you get from the matcha, just it works so well together. I don't want to cut the maple leaf. It's too cute. It's too pretty. It's too pretty. So if you guys are interested in making your own wagashi and experiencing tea ceremony right here in Japan and without having to hurt your knees by sitting in seiza, then you should come down here. It's really close to Nippori Station. It's called Yuka-an and it's part of Gallery Okubo, so you can check out the antiques that they have. You can experience the tea ceremony. You could even just come here, even if you don't want to do the workshop, you can just come here. They run a regular cafe. So you can come have a drink and experience the lovely atmosphere. And as always, if you want to know more about what we do, you want to know more details, please head over to itadakimasjapan.net where we go into a lot more detail about everything that we do there. Thank you guys so much for watching and for liking, subscribing, all that stuff. Make sure you subscribe for more because we're not done. We're going to keep exploring Japan and showing off its wonderful points with you. So we'll see you next time. Bye! Get it? Gold leaf? You get it? You get it? You get it? Do you get it? Wait, come back. Oh, right.